what Just Cause is all about is unity, is bringing people together, not for one specific reason, but for the sense of getting together and being unified as a young people. Getting together and sharing inspiration, whether it be a candlelight visual or it's a toy drive, or we're going into the schools. I just want to get people back into the feeling of helping others, for the sense of helping others.
I love taking care of people. Every day I go to work, I meet new people and I hear their stories, and that makes me keep going every day.
The things that motivate me in life, my family, mostly my little brother. Family values is most important.
What inspires me are my family, friends.
Creativity inspires me. I'm extremely humble tonight. Had a good crowd of friends come out to help support me. Like I said, I'm doing this just cause to inspire other people. I hope that this video will inspire others, and look out for more Just Cause events. Thank you.